To enable and set up mobile hotspot on Motorola signature, first we need to open settings. Then we're gonna go to network and internet in here, and you should be able to find hotspot and tethering. Now in this place we can easily turn on and off the Wi-Fi hotspot, so of course you can do so. But in order to set up the hotspot, we can tap on it in here, and then we have all different settings where you can change the hotspot name. You can find the hotspot password. You can of course change it as well in case you wanted to. We can adjust speed and compatibility. We can also hide your device, and we can also turn off hotspot automatically, which I think is after 10 minutes if no device is connected to your hotspot. Besides that, we have instant hotspot as well, which you can use, and we have the QR code generator for your hotspot. And that is pretty much it. Of course, the hotspot can also be easily toggled by using the control center. In my case, it is located over here, so you can turn on and turn off hotspot in here. Leave a like and subscribe.